5 reasons you should install solar today. Solar energy has many benefits. Number 1. Going solar saves you money. If you produce your own solar energy, you don't have to buy it from your utility. You'll save thousands in electricity costs during the 25-year lifetime of your system. And the sooner you install, the sooner you'll break even on your investment. Number 2. Solar energy is good for the environment. If you install solar panels, you're producing clean, renewable electricity from the sun. This means zero emissions and less pollution. By taking action today, you're offsetting the need for new fossil fuel-based power sources. Number 3. Solar supports your local economy. By installing solar panels today, you'll be supporting the local businesses that design and install your system. Number 4. Going solar means energy independence. With solar power, you're producing energy locally. This means you don't have to rely on imported power from across town or across the globe. Number 5. Solar will increase your property value. Thanks to all these benefits, properties with solar panels are more attractive to potential buyers. Studies have shown that solar-powered homes sell for 3 to 4% more than others. If you're thinking about selling your home in the future, now is the time to add solar to it. Energy Sage. Smarter energy decisions.